Question 25. H equals minus 4.9 t squared plus 25t. The equation above expresses the approximate height h in meters, that is small letter h, of a ball t seconds after it is launched vertically upwards from the ground with an initial velocity of 25 meters per second. After approximately how many seconds will the ball hit the ground? The numeric value you are given in this question is actually the initial velocity. And looking at the equation, you have no symbol as regards the initial velocity. So the initial velocity given to you is not really required in solving this question. Now it says, after how many seconds will the ball hit the ground? You've been asked to find the time it will take the ball to hit the ground. That's the time t is unknown. Looking at the equation, it has the height and the time in it, but it doesn't have the initial velocity, which is in some cases represented with small letter u. And the height is given to us, but it's not clearly stated. It says, after approximately how many seconds will the ball hit the ground? If the ball hits the ground, the height at that point is 0 because the ball is back to the ground. That's the trick, the twist, or the technicality in this question. So h is 0. So coming back to the formula, which says h equals minus 4.9 t squared plus 25t. Your h is 0. H is 0 equals minus 4.9 t squared plus 25t. On the next line, it's easier when students work without negatives. So it's best to take out this minus 4.9 t squared to the left. It's crossing the equals sign and turns to plus. So we have plus 4.9 t squared equals 25t. We're looking for t, and one of them is squared and the other is single. In this case, we divide both sides by t to make sure we end up having just one t left. So we divide by t and we divide by t. On the left, the t below, that's the denominator, cancels one of the t's in the t square. So you'll be left with just one t. You'll be having 4.9t equals t cancels t, 25. We're looking for t, so we divide both sides by the coefficient of t, which is 4.9. Divide by 4.9 and divide by 4.9. Note you're allowed to use the calculator. 4.9 cancels 4.9. You'll be left with t equals, with your calculator, 25 divided by 4.9 will give you 5.1020 and so on. So t to the nearest whole number is 5.0. So we have our answer as t equals 5.0 seconds. From the options, the answer to this question is D, that's 5.0, or you say 5.0 seconds.